Ahead of the September 21st governorship election for Edo State, the All Progressive Congress on Wednesday don't hold mega rally for Esa land with ex-governor Adams Oshimole, reinstated Deputy Governor Phyllis Shaibu, and other party chieftains wey include Pastor Osaige Izeyamo, and among other persons wey still stand up. Dem dey ask Esa people to vote for APC candidate Senator Monday Okpebholo. Addressing the Mamo crowd and party leaders, Senator Monday Okpebholo come talk say he gets the solution to the issue where Edo people they pass through, and say this current administration of Governor Obaseki don't seek the state with debt with nothing to show for the money where he don't borrow, and say Edo people debt profile at the moment now over 573 billion naira.
I think investment at the time of Okpebholo, I don't know someone that we got 250 million on the Ahadi. Over there, school, after it 95 million on a teacher on the school. It has 42 million on the school. So on the school, you have students. They let me see because they may have better than me. I think the school please go on the school. Only come about you. But then that's about you. Because they tell the school please, they don't go. Only I on the school fees, I can also. Who knows a man one way? I can better. Who are my dear Molen? Minority hospital, my dear Molen. In 2 minutes, okay, they disappear. But I plan one people, anyone can know. Security,
Senator wey dey represent Edo North and former governor of Edo State, Senator Adams Oshimole, for in talk with the people of Edo Central, come yarn say Senator Monday na man with listening ears, and say na the best for Edo State. Sake say Okpebholo na fellow senator for the National Assembly, and Edo State go dey in safe hands with am as governor.
That you can touch, a governor that speak your language. When I go home, when I was governor, the joy of the people of Esako is that when I have a meeting with them, we can have a secret meeting in the open, because I will speak Esako, they will reply in Esako. When a man is going to talk to a traditional ruler in Esako and is carrying interpreter, or is going to be speaking English, were we born in England? This ticket is for authentic, undiluted, a young man, not passionate, because if as well was in public service at 60, he will retire. This young man is 52. I was governor at about 54. He's running mate. He's 44. It is youth o'clock. The other one is 64. The other one is 66. They want to do their 70th birthday in government house. Government work is not for talent brains. It's not for people who have aspired in the private sector, in company of the next governor, by the special grace of God of Edo State. And
APC Deputy Governorship candidate Right Honorable Dennis Idahosa and reinstated Edo Deputy Governor Right Honorable Comrade Phyllis Shaibu and former Secretary to Edo State Government Pastor Osaige Izeyamo for their tour Konyanse.
People, you are so blessed. Like our people, my God, I bring distinguished Senator Monday Okpebholo to Nason. Before we go continue, I want to beg all of una wey dey here and those people wey not come here. I beg, say the other candidate wey he say he come from the other party and our incoming governor make some people make them call them to come and debate on this plan. I will not be so.
Lawless people to continue for government. Una want wicked people to continue for government. Una want somebody wey be say he dey fight the living and he dey fight the dead to continue. How can somebody, because they give you power, somebody will even join make you get government, you go dey revoke in land even when the person don't die. Now better person be that. This other one when they bring, it was passer. This one when they bring, it was passer. So it is time to take our government back.
We let the Lord enjoy them. Ekpoma needs students for accommodation. Many of the things in Ekpoma, they need the university to survive. Our university has staffed the university. Everybody in the university is active. Vice Chancellor is active. The District is active. The Media is active. Many of the classes in Ekpoma, they do accreditation.
Former Edo APC Deputy Governorship candidate Honorable Gani Audu and others for their talk with our Tori people, Konyanse, APC go take over Edo State. Seko say they present the best candidate wey go take Edo to the next level.
Candidates we have, they are candidates of the people, of grassroots people. So you can see from what happened in Benin yesterday and what is happening here, the special grace of God, they will be the Apakomiza will be the governor, and by the special grace of God, Dennis Idahosa will be the deputy governor.
He don't first do one before he becomes senator. He first do one. Now when he come be senator, when he go do one. But even God when talk, and now God now talk say, when you see person when they look for water to drink, give her water and drink. If you see person when they look for rapper, give her rapper wear. Now they do. Now good person.
Other people wait and for the event na APC Acting Chemo, Emperor Jarrett Tenebe, Senator Matthew Uroide, House of Representative member, where they represent Esan Northeast and Esan Southwest Federal Constituency, Honorable Prince Odianose Okoje, Edo APC Youth Leader, Comrade Tony Kabaka, amongst others. Make una not forget say Edo State Governorship election go shele September 21 and make you vote wisely. Seko say Edo now we own. From Benin City, Anita Irene. Then they bring una this story for GTV Nigeria.